Audio Jungle.
We are what we eat. But how many of us know what we are actually eating? How many of us know what is being done to the food before it comes to our plate? According to scientific studies conducted all over the world, it is said that mother's milk contains residues of harmful pesticides like endosulfan, DDT and many more. Mother's milk, which is considered as the safest food in the world for newborns, is now contaminated. From 1976 to 2000, without knowing the consequences, more than 20 lakh liters of endosulfan has been sprayed from the chopper in Kazarkudi, which is a small village in God's own country Kerala, for crop protection. The remnants of those harmful chemicals polluted the air and the lake water. As a result of that, more than 5,000 cases were registered with the newborns having birth anomalies, adults with cancers, epilepsies, neuro problems, and many of more in that small village. The broiler eggs, which we all eat on a regular basis, are all haploid eggs, which means they are produced without mating. They are produced by injecting estrogens to the mother chick. That's the main reason for the early puberty of female child and an increased onset of gynec problems in females. These are all few evidences which shows our entire food chain has been infiltrated with pesticides and hormones. Pesticides and coloring agents that are sprayed on the vegetables in the morning by the farmer reaches our plate by dinner. It's time for all of us to make some right choices about our food. Having said that, as a doctor by myself, I had a thought of how I can make a difference. Then I realized, instead of expecting from others, why can't I take the initiative and produce some real healthy foods for my family as well as for others? That little spark has led me to start Intech Farms with a mission of integrating a community of at least 100 farmers who can provide organic food in its most purest form and delivering it directly to the urban communities as well as their own family. So our intention is to create a culture where every family has a family farmer, like how you have a family doctor. If you have a family doctor, then why can't you have a family farmer whom you can trust? So your farmer will grow foods based on your request naturally without use of any chemicals. Your family doctor can treat the disease, but your family farmer will prevent your disease at the first place itself. As we all know, prevention is better than cure. So with a team of few of my friends, we are starting this initiative. Hope we can make a better contribution to the society as well as reducing ecological footprints. A small decision which you take can make a big impact on your family's health as well as the environment.